Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting hardware and software in line. This reduces connection conflicts. Make sure the headset firmware and Oculus PC app are current and use a USB 3.0 or official link cable for stable bandwidth. Once done, disable AirLink in the headset quick settings so the link handshake can proceed. Plug the cable into the headset first, then into the PC. This order helps the headset prioritize wired mode. You need a short test. Check Windows recognizes the device in Device Manager. Now you complete the transition. With the cable plugged in, open the Oculus PC app and watch for the wired device detection. The app negotiates codecs and USB power. In the headset, accept the PC connection prompt and grant data and file access so the link service can stream. Once granted, navigate to Quick Settings and explicitly pick Link if the headset still shows wireless options. This forces the wired connection. Make sure the PC app shows a green link indicator. That confirms streaming over cable. Finish by verifying performance. Run a short VR app to test audio, visuals, and tracking stability. Adjust link bitrate in the Oculus PC app if frames drop. If you see stutter or disconnects, try another USB 3.0 port and avoid USB hubs. Bandwidth matters. Once done, make sure camera and controller tracking are normal. If things still fail, reinstall Oculus PC drivers or update headset USB drivers. This often resolves handshakes. And remember, reboot both PC and headset after driver changes to complete the switch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.